you share anything on your cell phone with me? Can I have your phone number?
No, definitely not.
I won't give none of my contact, none of my information on my phone.
How about your credit card?
Oh, no.
I mean, I'm just not going to do that to a stranger.
That's very personal, don't you think so?
How about would you share your contacts?
No.
Why would you want to see that?
Can I see all your texts?
No.
How about your web browsing history?
No.
Yeah, what if I had all your passwords?
Then I'd be freaked out.
I don't know you. I don't share things with people I don't know.
I like privacy.
Yeah, it's real important. And more because I'm a mom.
You'd never share private info with strangers on the street, but you probably do it all the time online.
In today's connected world, it's easier than ever to bank, shop, stay in touch, create new accounts no matter where we are, but that comes at a cost to our privacy.
Online privacy is a massive, massive issue.
At Norton, we identified the most critical ways to protect your privacy online, and we made it available in a single app.
Norton Privacy Manager. Create and manage virtual profiles, including unique passwords, and keep your conversations private. You can also browse and search privately with the in-app browser and stop sites and targeted ads from tracking your activity.
Our team couldn't be more excited to bring this to Indiegogo.
It's a place for innovation and a community where they're eager to provide feedback.
It's our mission to put people back in control over their privacy and to give them the power to say no.
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 Norton Privacy Manager. Help take control of your online privacy.
If you're watching this video, you probably have a sweet pair of Bluetooth headphones. And everyone's favorite on-the-go console, the Nintendo Switch. If I'm right, you're probably even wishing they'd work together. This is Genki, and it's about to make that wish come true. Genki simply brings Bluetooth audio to the Nintendo Switch. Not convinced? Let me give you 3 more reasons. First off, it's designed just for the Switch. Check out how it works. And just like that, you've got an upgraded Nintendo Switch. Press a button and you're listening to the sweet tunes of Mario on your favorite Bluetooth headphones. Whether you're just chilling at home, slaying moblins, or making your daily commute through New Donk City, or even just killing time at work jumping between barrels. Hey, we won't judge. It's even designed to look like your Joy-Cons, so you know it's good quality. Secondly, Genki lets you pair up to 2 headsets so you can share the fun. Just pair a second headphone like you did with the first. And you can throw banana peels at that friend you've been secretly checking out. Or play another round of tennis with that colleague whose name you always seem to forget. And finally, even defeat that hairy Canadian with the Pro Controller. And third, we put some serious tech for you to geek out on. Check out this sweet rendering our designer made. Genki uses very low power through the USB-C port without ever needing a charge. The latest Bluetooth is compatible with all your audio devices at a range further than you'll ever need. We've licensed the best audio codecs so you won't have to ever worry about lag. You can even pair a better speaker, so go ahead and host that rooftop party, or at least impress your friends with a full-on cardboard concert. With our dock adapter, you can continue playing late into the night without disturbing others at home. Or not. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of the video. We've got everything in place for production, and we need your support to get to the next stage. We put together some pledge options below, and with that, we should be able to get Genki into your Nintendo Switch by the end of summer. Thank you for your support.
Hi, this is the HiGame Mini PC. Small, right? Well, never judge functions on appearances. It runs AAA games smoothly and quickly. Thanks to the new 8th Gen Intel Core i5 or Core i7 processor, the CPU clock speed reaches up to 4.1 GHz. The HiGame not only saves space, but also brings a stunning user experience for gamers and creators. HiGame is also a graphical workstation with big performance. Designers can use it to do complex work in apps like Cinema 4D. Even modeling and rendering of complex projects can be done simply. A variety of interfaces allow you to connect multiple devices, supporting up to 5 displays at the same time. Meanwhile, the Thunderbolt 3 interface can extend another external GPU and loads of other devices. You want to have the big performance in a small case? Give HiGame a try. HiGame Mini PC will make your work and life
Danger, wake up now.
Thanks, Righty. That was close. It's easy to get sleepy and distracted after a long day of work or when you're driving long distance. That's why Righty alerts you when you're getting sleepy, or when you start checking your phone and counting your likes. Righty does everything to keep you focused on driving. Is it reading your mind? No, it's reading your face. Using face tracking technology to detect when your eyes are not on the road. Don't worry, it's completely private. No internet connection needed, and it works day and night to keep you safe. Plus, it's so quick and easy to install, your grandma can nail it. Okay, Grandma. It's also great for professional drivers, truck drivers, young drivers, and parents. So unless you have a metal rock band to keep you awake, get Righty. Do you guys do birthday parties? Created by a team of experienced engineers, Righty is fully developed, tested, and ready for manufacturing. Join our crowdfunding campaign and let's make our roads
Call Caroline. Hey girl, I just finished my run. You wanna grab dinner?
Hey James.
Hey.
Lindsay called. You ready to go?
Yeah, give me a sec.
Verum Pet Fitness is a robot designed to keep your pet healthy. It plays with your dog by automatically zooming around the room, interacting with your dog, and dispensing treats. It's a fun and hands-free way to keep your dog sharp and active all day. And Verum Pet Fitness is smart too. With automatic obstacle avoidance, you don't ever have to worry about it getting stuck. It can dodge anything in its way and drive over large obstacles. And with its tough construction, Verum Pet Fitness can go over carpet with ease and take a hit like a champ. and it's smart enough to know when your pet is no longer close. And cute enough to get your dog playing again. As a pet owner, I know how important it is to keep my dog physically active. Not only does it keep his body strong, but it stimulates his mind, helping reduce the risk of lethargy and depression. As the owner, you decide when your dog needs to be active, how many treats they can have, and how long they need to play. That way, you can always have peace of mind knowing that your pet isn't bored at home. I love having Varum Pet Fitness at home on those long days in the office. Knowing that there's a toy that gets Lincoln up and moving in a fun way and rewards him is so valuable to me. Varum Pet Fitness can be remote controlled through the app, allowing you to interact with your pet directly. You can choose a route for Varum Pet Fitness to follow, or you can create your own patterns for the bot to follow, making sure your dog is always getting a new experience. It's IPX4 water resistant, so it can survive everything your pet throws at it. We've also made sure to use durable, FDA-approved materials in its construction to make sure that it can withstand rough housing while always being safe for your pet. Not to mention, easy to keep clean. And Varum Pet Fitness takes any kind of treat you prefer as long as it fits. At the end of the day, we created Varum Pet Fitness to be a fun, safe way for your pet to get exercise. Its patent-pending design and high-tech abilities make it the perfect way to keep up on your pet's fitness, whether you're home or not.
I love Varum Pet Fitness, and Duke loves it too. Whenever I'm not home, he's always chasing that thing around. He loves the harness with the feathers.
With Varum Pet Fitness, I don't always have to worry about making sure I go on a walk with Lou every day. Sometimes it's just so hard to get there when I have an 8-hour day and then I come home and I just don't have any energy. But when I put Varum up, I can set it up on automatic and I can look at the stats and see how far she's walked and how many treats she's got throughout the day. It really takes a lot of pressure off me.
You can monitor your pet's activities on the app and even compare with your friends and keep track of your fitness history as well. We have working prototypes and secured manufacturing avenues. We simply need your help.
I'm going back to where it all began. I'm a station